Valencia, powering up the right-hand side.
Oh!
Ibrahimovic!
DMB.
The king of Sweden scores on his United debut in spectacular style. Zlatan Ibrahimovic. It is Zlatan time already, just 3.5 minutes into his debut.
It's a good build-up by United, but he doesn't really catch it properly, Stuart, but it still beats everybody. It does well Valencia to get down the line here. The ball in, doesn't catch it properly. But the bounce defeats the goalkeeper. Maybe the wet grass put a bit more pace on it. But what a start. What a start. Oh, I don't think it's a good thing to make starts like that, Stuart, because everybody really expects on.
Wesley Sneijder, the creator-in-chief for Galatasaray. Wicked ball in, and the equaliser. Galatasaray's first effort in the game, and they equalised.
What a great ball in, Stuart. It's not got a great deal of height on it. I don't think he has to jump.
Well, it's been frustrating so far for Simon Garmus, but he got the crucial touch there. De Gea couldn't keep it out. Good in-swinging ball from Wesley Sneijder, and from nowhere, 1-1.
Well, disappointment for United in actual fact. But look at oh, no marking either, was there? Just gets a free header. Nothing the goalkeeper can do about that. That might bring the game more to life now. United were too comfortable, Stuart, for a spell.
Tough. Bruma gets it back. Bruma drives forward, and a fabulous goal. And Galatasaray have turned it around. Outstanding from Bruma. Wonderful finish. Lovely 1-2. And United, after having a perfect start, are now behind.
Well, great football, Stuart. But you've got to say, Stuart, they've been the best team probably for most of this first half. They look a little bit sharper than United at this moment in time. That is a terrific goal. Great build-up, great passing movement. Terrific goal. Doesn't half hit it well, doesn't it? Goalkeeper, no chance.
Well, we mentioned before, he's been the star of pre-season so far for Galatasaray, and that was top class from the Portuguese winger.
That was brilliant, that, Stuart. No chance, goalkeeper. Side netting.
He looks lively on the turn. Gets it back to Valencia as well. He's done very well. Pulls it across, and United score. Wayne Rooney opens his pre-season account. Wonderful link-up play. Rashford, Young, both involved. Rooney provides the finish, and it's 2-2.
Terrific start to the second half for United, Stuart, but they've been alive from the off, haven't they? I mean, it's just a little bit like Galatasaray, after we scored the goal, United have come back into the game, and they played some great football there to create that goal. Does well here, Valencia, doesn't he? Used his pace down the line. And when coming in just behind the defender. He finally get caught ball watching. Well done. But I'll tell you, that's brought the crowd to life as well, hasn't it?
Good wing play. Good down, penalty kick. The pace and the power of Rashford wins United a penalty.
Is the goalie going to get sent off, Stuart? If it's not a friendly, he goes. If it's not a friendly, he goes. The goes. League match to go. Just put his left hand up there to catch his foot.
Wayne Rooney is going to take the penalty now. He missed one here against Barcelona in 20 rounds. They lead 3-2.
Terrific second half, Stuart, for United. I think the manager must have said something to them at half-time, because the pace has changed to a great degree. The game's got faster from United's point of view. They've upped the ante, and it's worked.
Well, he's struck better penalties than that, but it's effective, straight down the middle.
Oh, he's hit it, Stuart, all right. It has been straight down, but he's hit it all right. That's pleased the manager.
But that goal, all... Here's Valencia.
He's going to take him on, Stuart.
Stands it up to Fellaini. Fellaini's header, obstructed. Classic Fellaini. Looping header into the corner of the net, and United absolutely rampant. 3 unanswered second half goals, and now they are leading 4-2.
Well, it's great when you've got a fella of that height that is good in the air as well, Stuart. And that's why he's come on, takes up great position at the far post. Just throw a high ball and you'll get it. And that's exactly what happens. Goes down there, Valencia. Cross in. Is he there? Yes, I'm here. Back of the net. Well, that's pleased the crowd. I'm delighted, Stuart. The crowd have come here to watch United, and no harm to Galatasaray, but the team for them's leading. Terrific second half so far.
United just attacking from all angles.
Oh.
Mata, beautiful skill, Mata. Reverse pass to Carrick. Back in towards Mata. Oh, United playing some lovely stuff in the second half. It's the Carrick and Mata show. Mata scores. United have got 4 of them in this second half. They now lead by 5 goals to 2.
They've got the stadium jumping, haven't they? But with football like that, sure, no wonder the crowd are jumping up. That was great stuff. So many passes in short areas, small areas in actual fact. Great little ball from Mata there. There's an even better ball from Michael Carrick. There's 2 of them there could have put the ball in the net. Mata's the one that puts the ball in the back of the net, but Memphis is right behind him thinking, why, how dare you take that off me? Look at Memphis. Oh, volley. Oh.
Enjoyed that.
Terrific football.